If you've ever finished a long road trip and thought to yourself, wow, that felt rough, well, your RV feels it even more. Every mile you tow your RV, your frame is taking a beating. The question is, how much damage are you not seeing?
Almost 29 years ago, MORryde introduced the IS, our independent suspension system. During that time period, it's undergone extensive durability testing and performance testing. Recently, YouTube influencers Changing Lanes conducted their own testing with instrumentation. They used an outside third-party source to analyze it, and they also used ChatGPT to look at the results. And here's what testing found. Number one, there was significantly less fatigue that was transmitted to the frame. Number two, there were fewer big impacts that were going to the frame. Number three, the big impacts that were going to the frame were much softened. And number four, what they found is overall, there were significantly fewer or less impacts and events going to the frame. If you think about it, when you tow a trailer all those years and over all those miles, fatigue is a big portion that impacts an RV. And what they found in the testing is that MORryde IS suspension system significantly softens and reduces the fatigue. It's what thousands of RVers have known over those 29 years. That with the IS system, you get much smoother, more comfortable towing, and they had that sense, that assurance that their trailer is being better protected from damaging road shock. Changing Lanes has published a YouTube video, and they also have a blog that documents those results. They give you the chance to actually do a deep dive into it, and you can see their conclusions. Tests, charts, and graphs. No matter how you analyze it, the MORryde IS system protects you on the roads you travel the most. For more information, check out our website, and if you watch the Changing Lane video, reach out to us and let us know what you think.